Wala pa tayong golden break ha,
So
tonight.
far, yes, wala.
O, Raga.
Okay, so sinagad na niya dito. It looks like he has decided to take this into the corner pocket. Great job. We can safely say
Ayun na.
that it is looking good.
Ayun na, dinoble pa.
Nako.
So the 4 and the position will be here for the 5. Curiously, saan niya kukunin yan?
Or baka kaya naman totally iwasan. Kaya naman pala.
Iwasan na nga.
Yun.
Binaba na lang doon. Pero
So
ganoon naman talaga yun eh. The less contact you have with other balls, the better.
Yes, that's right. And ang isa sa mga malalaking milestone sa kanyang pag-develop as a player,
Nag-blossom siya right after
Yes,
that. Lalong
that's right.
gumaling.
medyo pinukpok siya ni Carlo
Mhm.
pero it's for the best.
Yeah. So
Ganun
kung,
pala si
kung Carlo
Carlo.
Biado ang pupukpok sa'yo, okay lang.
Yes,
Imposible hindi ka matuto eh.
Down goes the 9.
There we
you
go.
have it.